Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Kia Sportage in neutral. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then press the brake pedal firmly. Locate the shift lever, move it through gears to reach neutral, and confirm the dash shows N. Keep your foot on the brake until you are ready to move or tow, and avoid shifting while the vehicle is in motion. Before shifting, verify your surroundings and set the parking brake securely, then depress the brake pedal fully. If towing, place wheel chocks and put the transmission in neutral only when the vehicle is immobile. Avoid shifting to neutral while driving at high speed. Slow to a safe stop first. These precautions reduce risk of rollaway and transmission stress. When towing a Kia Sportage, start by consulting the owner manual for specific tow recommendations and weight limits. If your model has a tow mode, engage it to reduce transmission wear and improve control. Ensure the vehicle is secured with chocks and the parking brake is set before placing the transmission in neutral. For flat towing, follow steps to prevent electrical or drivetrain damage and double-check connections before moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.